If you were looking for a conductivity sensor to best fit any water and wastewater applications, or for example applications in seawater desalination plants, then you might come out to the new Yokogawa epoxy type SC42 EV15 and order it for your project. Let's check out what you will get. The sensor comes in a robust recycled cardboard box. There are standard handling care labels on the box as well as an identification tag label indicating the sensor model code and serial number. With this data, you can recheck whether this is what you have ordered. Open the box carefully. Even though the box is robust, inspect its content to ensure it was not damaged during shipment. If you find any damage, Yokogawa recommend retaining the original packing materials and immediately notifying the carrier and the relevant Yokogawa sales office. Make sure the model code and serial number on the sensor are the same as on the packing list. Also, check that any ordered option are included and correct. What's inside the box? I am sure the sensor package bedding is the first thing you will notice. The sensor is so nicely fitted and secured with stretch foil. Besides box robustness, this sensor care type will secure it from unwanted damage. Overall, we can say that Yokogawa is really delivering quality. Sensor instruction manual, environmental protection info and product conformity info are also delivered in the package. Quality inspection standards and quality inspection sheets are connected with the sensor serial number. Useful data such as sensor constant, calibration results, and accuracy are printed on the inspection sheet. For the installation in an intrinsically safe environment, a label should be attached to the sensor cable. This label as well as the cable tie you can find inside the box. Now we are getting close to the sensor itself. Unwrap the package to lose the sensor from the stretch foil. Yokogawa conductivity sensors are proven in use, but why is this model special? This is an upgraded version. It comes with a Vario pin connection which enables IP67 watertight connection when properly connected to Yokogawa WU10, WE10 series cable. What else is new? Sensor Smart ID chip is the latest technology installed into the sensor. With a Smart ID chip, this sensor becomes a Yokogawa Smart Sencom 4.0 family member. All sensor-related data are stored in the ID chip. When the SC42 EV15 sensor is connected to Yokogawa Smart Sensor Adapter SA11, the setup becomes plug and play. The sensor body is made of epoxy material, resisting most harsh applications. Process connection type is plug-in, meaning you already have, or you will need to plan sensor process fitting such as FF40. As indicated on the labels, SC42 EV15 is a sensor with cell constant of 1 cm, meaning for the conductivity range from 1 up to 50,000 microsiemens per centimeter. Process temperature measurement for compensation purposes is done with a built-in PT1000 temperature resistor. The sensor is suitable for process with pressure up to 10 bars and temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius. At the sensor bottom, you will notice the electrode location. It is recommended to install a sensor to direct the fluid path between these electrodes. When installed in the process fitting, it is not easy to determine whether the sensor is in the right position. Therefore, sensor markup outlet is helpful. That was all about unboxing the Yokogawa epoxy type conductivity sensor SC42 EV15. We will come back soon to continue the sensor life journey and give you tips on how to mechanically and electrically install it, set up, perform maintenance. If you like this video, click I like it. If you would like to be informed on our new video materials release, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.